quick video. We just found this thing pitched out. We're just taking a walk for exercises. We like walking because you can find things. This thing was dripping oil out the bottom here, so we quick cleaned it off and found the oil filter. Had it been tipped over on this side, which you never do, full of oil. Seems like good compression. I just wiped off the dipstick and we're like way overfilled. We're somewhere, you're gonna really be able to see it somewhere right about here, and the full is there. I don't even know what type of oil this is. This is green oil. And as you can see it on the sticker, it shows a little green. It's hard to tell. We're gonna dump the oil out, put regular oil in. We checked the carb. The carb was cleaned. We'll tilt it over, show you how nice it is. It's a push one. There she is. She's nice underside. The blade just definitely needs a sharpening, but she's not all cut up. It's a push, so don't have to worry about worn wheels. And the only thing we see is the rope, so we're going to change the rope. It's pretty worn out. And that's something we picked up in a scrap pile right there. It's definitely more than a quart. I don't even know what it is. 2-cycle oil? Kind of green, very greenish. It's got to be 2-cycle oil. So we got some crappy oil for it from the yard. We always find stuff out there. Here's 3/4 quart. I'll get back to you once we fill it. Got some cheap 10W30 40 in there. It comes out like water, so we're mixing it in there. Be careful this cheap oil if it comes that thin. You don't really want to use it. Checking the oil level. We're okay. It's hard to tell when that green stuff was in there, the green slime, and we couldn't run it to check it, or to run it hot so we can get it while it's hot out, make it clean itself easier. Cleaner through the hole here, through the hole here, and this hole I think is blacktop, but we tried it anyways. So now we're going to bolt the carb cover up. The gasket's beautiful. That's what you have to have a good gasket if you want to use a primer bulb. We're just tightening up the bolts. I couldn't find my 1/4 inch driver, so I just stuck a screwdriver in there. Tighten it up, and we'll get ready to fire it up in a minute. See if she prime up. Usually you can look inside the hole and see the center is open full of gas. This has gas in it, so. We just picked up a nice used filter we got sitting on the side. We use that. Primer a couple more times, and we can't find my camera tripod, so we'll just do it while we're holding it and see if this fires up. Smoking because she was had oil dumped under from being on her side and having way too much oil. Let's try it again without priming it. Sorry, my hand's gonna be sweat. As a guy likes to steal my lines, I'll steal his. There's your dinner. Now, just for shits and giggles, I guess I used to call it. We're gonna see how much oil was in this thing. So in our quart oil thing, we about here. So we got actually a quart oil, which is a little bit too much. Just take a little less than a quart. And then there's green stuff, so maybe it was bar oil? I don't know what it was. Oh, wrong cap. So, and we're going to change the pull string. That was a quick 2-for-1 special. This is a Remington. I found it in the yard. Buried a little bit. That's definitely too much 2-cycle oil. We don't care. We had a little straight gas in it. We did that just to see if it'd fire. Let's see how well she runs now. We haven't done anything to it, just put a little gas. Now I put a little 2-cycle oil in there. Prime it a couple times. Put it on choke. Hold on, let me see if we can get started. There she is. She just runs. She just wasn't on. She needed to be on half choke to run all the way. There's a second bonus. Scrapyard and trash walking, alley walking. Thank you for watching. Will she run?